Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look at finding out the points where two functions intersect. Okay, so the points where they intersect. So if I've got this green function, which is a parabola, and this straight line function, which is a straight line. So what we have is we have a curved function, the parabola, and we have a straight line function in pink. And those intersect at 2 points. And we want to know what those are. So the way we do it is that we can just make them equal to each other, because you see that pink crosses green at that point blue, and pink crosses green. So they are the same at that point. So we simply just make them equal to each other. So we will just say x minus 3 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 8. And now we simply solve using algebra. So let's take the x across to this side. So we get, we'll have our x squared minus 3x, and then we'll take that x across, so it becomes minus x. And then we've got the minus 8, and then we'll take this 3 across, which will then become plus 3. Okay, and then what we have is our equation, which we can now solve. So x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. And so we can factorize this. So it'll be x minus 5 and x plus 1. And so our answers are x equals 5 and x equals minus 1, right? Because x minus 5 must equal 0 and x plus 1 must equal 0. Because for this to equal 0, either of the brackets can be 0, because 0 times anything is 0. So we know that this point here will be the 5, and this point here will be the minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 1. Let's do that again. That is minus 1. Now we're not quite done yet, because we've still got to get they want the points, right? So we know that this is 5, but we don't know the y point. And this is minus 1, but we don't know the y. Well, we simply just put it back into one of these equations. Well, the easiest one would be to just sub it back into the straight line function, because that's the most simplest, into y equals x minus 3. And so we know that y is equal to our x value. The first one we can say is minus 1 minus 3, which will be then minus 4. And this point here with a 5, our y is equal to five minus 3, which is 2. So this point is 5 and 2. Okay, so that's how you solve intersecting functions. And I think that's good for today.